My dear students, let me solve some problems in a fastest possible manner in a simple shortcut method. You can just see here. This is a problem of previous year. Now, force is acting along, as shown in the figure. The resultant force only acts along the y direction. Means what? The resultant force is acting along the y direction only. That means indirectly he is telling that the resultant force along the x direction should be 0. Now we will test whether it is 0 or not. If it is not 0, how much extra we have to add, that is going to be the answer. That is the meaning of this question here. Try to understand now. This is 30 means this is going to be 60. So let me take along the I, okay, that is x-axis. So this is taken as 4 cos 60. Cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2. That means 2. So in this direction 2 is there. Now here you can take this here. This is going to be 1 cos 60 because this is 1 and this is cos 60. So 1 cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2, which is nothing but 0.5. So this is also 60 here. Okay. This is also 60 because this is 30 means this is 30 here. So 2 cos 60. 2 cos 60. Cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2. So getting cancelled, it is 1. So here in this direction, how much is present? 2 newtons. In this direction, 1 and 0.5, that is 1.5 newtons is present. So here, if you take the difference, how much is extra? 0.5 newtons is extra. That is going to be your answer. That's it. Such a simple question it is. Now, let me go for the next problem. If the sum of two vectors is a unit vector, then magnitude of the difference is how much? What is the meaning of that? The sum of the two vectors, for example, this is a vector, this is one more vector, this is going to be the resultant vector, and see, all these three vectors are unit vectors. It is possible only when this is A vector, this is B vector, this is C vector, and the angle between these two vectors should be 120 degrees. Then only it is possible. Okay? Then only it is possible. So 120 is there means all the three vectors will be same. That is the meaning here now. Now, what is the difference of these two vectors? Difference means, let me take a B minus here. Okay? So this is going to be minus B. That means this is totally 180. 120 means how much this is going to be 60 degrees. Okay. Now, difference means you have to add these two vectors. Adding one positive vector with the negative vector gives you the difference here now. So R is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB cos 60. Okay. 2AB cos 60 under root. So this is square root of 1 plus 1 plus this is 2 into 1 by 2. Okay. Because all are unit vectors. So getting cancelled, your answer is going to be root 3. In this way we have to solve. So negative vector. See, subtraction of two vectors is nothing but one positive vector should be taken as negative vector. Now the angle between them is going to be 60. Understood? 60. So you have to add these two vectors, one positive vector and one negative vector. That means you are going to get the answer like this. Okay. So root 3 is going to be the answer. Next, you can just see here. A truck is traveling towards north. So it is traveling towards north with a speed of 20 meters per second and turns towards west and travels with the same speed. Means it is traveling in this direction. Okay. So this is 20 and this is 20. And what is the change in the velocity he is telling? So here these two are vectors. It's very similar that this vector is towards this point and this is away from the point. So this is towards the vertex and this is away from the vertex. So this vector should be reversed here now. So this is reversed like this. So this is 20 meters per second and this is 20 meters per second. The resultant of these two is going to be 20 root 2 meters per second. Okay. Sometimes he is asking direction also. So this is what is the direction? This is west and this is south. Okay. So we can take southwest. Southwest is going to be the direction here. Okay. So southwest. So D option is going to be a correct answer. Like this we have to solve. Now you have to find out what is the pattern here and what is going to be the resultant. If you observe clearly among all these vectors, okay, you will find something which is behaving like a parallelogram here. Okay, what is that which is going to behave like a parallelogram? You can just see F is in this direction. Okay, if F is in this direction, then in the upward direction what is present? In the upward direction D is present. Okay, In this left direction, what is present? In this left direction, E is present. That means now we can apply parallelogram law. That means E bar plus B bar is equal to F bar. So this is going to be the answer. Or D bar plus E bar is going to be the F bar. Like this, we have to find out the patterns which are giving you a parallelogram law. Like this, you have to solve. Now, if you observe this problem, a particle moves from point P to point Q. So from here to here, P to Q. You have to find out the difference. You know these three are taken as I, J, K. This is also I, J, K. So difference. So final point minus initial point. 3I minus 2J. 3I minus 2I is going to be I. So again, 4J minus 3J is going to be plus J. And 5K minus 5K is going to be 0. Your answer is this one. Like this, we have to solve the problems.